Laser welding, shaping the future. Founded in 2015, Riselaser Technology Company Limited manufactures laser welding equipment, automated welding solutions, and precious metal processing and testing systems. Backed by patented technologies and in-house manufacturing capabilities, Riselaser manages key processes from solution design and production to assembly, testing, and final inspection. Led by founder Jeff Sun. With 15 years of experience, Riselaser has built a team of over 300 people. Cross-production, engineering, sales, technical support, and after-sales service. Automatic laser welding workstations are one of our core areas. Our range includes robot laser welding machines, Cobot laser welding machines, Cobot MIG welding systems, free programming robotic welders, multi-axis fiber laser welding machines, and Galvo type welding systems. We also support fixture design, workpiece positioning, path planning, and system integration. We also manufacture Gantry type laser welding machine and platform laser welding machines, as well as mold repair machines using QCW, CW, or YAG laser technology to meet various repair needs. Our portable series includes QCW spot welders, air-cooled handheld welders, and water-cooled handheld laser welders. Compact, flexible, and suitable for a wide range of applications. We also provide jewelry spot welding machines for precision jewelry production and repair. Riselaser products have been exported to over 90 countries and regions. We support customers with sample testing, solution selection, training, technical support, spare parts, and after-sales service. Our mission is to create value for clients and achieve win-win results together. Our vision is to make laser technology accessible to all. Guided by unity, integrity, sharing, and support, we grow together. Riselaser. Looking forward to working with you.